Hey, it's Chris over at Blackdog Performance Cars. So recently, we've been having a lot of questions and a lot of interest in our 80s muscle cars. And some of those questions are, is it stock? Or how much power are they making? Well, I'm pleased to let you know, here at Blackdog Performance Cars, we do have a dyno in our facility, along with our Blackdog Speed Shop. So we decided to take some of the hot 80s muscle cars we have here and put them to the test and create an All American Dyno challenge. We are one of a select group of dealers that provide their buyers with a free picture of performance for their car. This way, you know exactly what you're buying. Round one of the All American Dyno Challenge is a battle of convertibles. The Team Mustang contender is this 33,000 mile 1987 Mustang GT. It is a 5.0 liter with a 5-speed manual. Under the hood of this 1987 Mustang GT is a very clean, unmodified 5.0. It's as factory down to the distributor cover, the factory airbox, and even the Ford Motorcraft stickers. This clean example has leather interior, power windows, power locks, a complete dashboard with no cracks or sun fading. Okay, and now it's time to talk about Team Camaro. Our Team Camaro contender for the All American Dyno Challenge is this crisp 30,000 mile IROC convertible with a 4-speed automatic. Under the hood of this IROC is a factory untouched 305 5.0 V8 tuned port injection. This 30,000 mile IROC shows no signs of sun fading, no cracked dash, has power windows, power locks, and the seats are in beautiful condition. So that's our round one competitors for Team Camaro and Team Mustang. Now let's head over to the Speed Shop's dyno cell and see what the numbers are. So that's round one of our Team Mustang versus Team Camaro. And the Mustang just gallops away with an impressive 204 wheel horsepower to the Camaro's 171 wheel horsepower. So let's get ready for round two.